Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a niche website with WordPress, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by choosing a niche that interests you. Research the market to identify potential audiences. Make a list of keywords related to your niche. Select a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Register your domain with a reputable provider. Next, choose a reliable hosting service. Purchase a hosting plan that suits your budget and needs. Link your domain to your hosting account. Install WordPress through your hosting control panel. Once installed, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Select a theme that aligns with your niche. You can find both free and premium themes. Customize your theme settings to fit your brand. Install essential plugins for added functionality. Consider plugins for SEO, security, and performance. Create essential pages such as an about, contact, and privacy policy. Start writing and publishing your first blog posts. Focus on quality content that provides value to your audience. Optimize your posts for SEO by incorporating keywords. Use engaging images and videos to enhance your content. Promote your website through social media and online communities. Monitor your website's performance using analytics tools. Adjust your content strategy based on user feedback and analytics data. Keep your site updated regularly with fresh content. Consider monetization options like affiliate marketing or ads. Remember to be patient as building a successful niche website takes time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.